Okay. We will.
So the youngest, the girl before she left, she asked us to be baptized before she left. So we invited the mom. She's been every single weekend. That's what I was telling him. I'm like, I'm getting tired. And like,
I turned my bike on last time and put it on eco.
Yeah.
It's just where I'd have a little bit more pedal.
I just bombed down that trail, but my energy level is like, and I don't want to say this is gonna be my last run.
Never.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Hot.
Yeah, I'll see how I'm feeling when we get there. You're gonna take it off.
Sure. I think so. And I'm kind of going to be doing the same thing. I won't know for sure till I get there.
Yeah.
Whoops. Oop. Good Lord.
Yeah.
Trails are much better when they're dry.
Oh, I'm telling you, man, this is like, it's like two different places.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
is.
Yeah, it's getting nice.
It reminds me, I don't know if you guys ever heard of or ridden snowshoe. Lift Access Bike Park. Well, they do the UCI World Cup there.
Yeah.
But it is similar to this without the little pebblies. But it's like this, like when it gets dry, it's just good. Like
Sure.
this whole trail just reminds me of some of the. You all should go to snowshoe sometime.
Sweet.
Because you'll run into it again.
Yeah.
And I sucked at riding in the wet, so it's, Windrock was my training ground for wet. Like,
You
Yeah,
bet.
you just gotta ride it.
yeah, you have to learn what it's going to feel like to crash when it's wet too. Like,
I think I'm ready when you are.
All right, I'm ready.
Yeah. That's crazy. Every time. That one better?
yeah, I'll pedal.
Sweet.
Yeah, but I I hit the brake in the berm, and all I thought was you saying, don't
Don't
break
hit
the
the
berm.
brake.
Don't break the berm. And I tapped the brake and was like, crap, pedal, 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 pedal.
I do it every time. I see those two huge rocks that are in the
Yeah.
brakes, I just tap them because
100%.
Yeah.
It was the rocks that made me tap the brakes.
Yeah. Crazy, man. So
Yeah.
fun.
That was good. Good run.
yeah, it's really good.
Super sweet. Man.
Yeah, I think
All right.
I could do probably 1 or 2 more, but I'm not going to push it.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna call it too, because if I don't call it now, then I'll be saying.
Sounds
Just
good,
one more.
man.
Yeah, given my amazing riding today.
Yeah. You do a YouTube channel?
Yeah, uphill will.
Uphill Will. Okay. All right.
How old are you?
Where he could see it. I turned 57. She remembers.
You sound like my wife.
Well,
Like, how old are you?
I thought it was 50. I thought it was 57 all last year.
Yeah,
So she said, "No, you're 56."
I understand.
I'm like,
soft
"Oh,
for a whole year.
okay."
My wife's like, I really, well, when we got the foster kids, I said my age. My wife's like, that's not how old you are. She's like, you're a year older than that. No, I'm not.
That's funny, but yeah, I started putting it on there just for somewhere to keep that stuff,
Yeah.
and you know, for Jason to be able to see it too, and
Yeah, contrary to today,
yeah,
Man,
I
I've ran
am
with
a better
I've
rider.
ran with Wolf. I'm not gonna hold those 2 little lily flukes.
Yeah, you
Like,
bet,
I'm not
yeah.
gonna hold those over your head. Like,
yeah. I mean, that's gnarly
anybody
wet
who can
stuff,
do
man.
That drop can ride.
Yeah.
Just because you can't go around berms, like.
No, you ask you, I hate berms. Even like riding at Kohler, I don't like berms at all.
Trust your tires, man. Trust your tires.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cush core will change your opinion of berms too, I think. Cush core is awesome.
100%. You know, I got this bike a couple weeks ago for test.
Yeah.
And I rode it with the tubes in it. It was stupid. Like, you know,
just-
when you ride push core, I had never
Yeah.
really like pushed it with tubes in, and it really is a big difference. Like,
Yeah.
just
It's
level
amazing.
down, like how, you know, adding push cores just gives you so much more confidence on stuff like
Yeah,
that.
it
You know, you
feels
smash the rocks and like.
well, and your
Run
bike
better.
holds through those rocks like that, those off-camber,
Holds that
slippery
grip.
crap.
Yeah,
You can still run because you like running pretty low pressures anyway.